Good. So this is really good to get in through, right through the TMJ here. Open your jaw a little bit. Great. Relax these shoulders. Perfect.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
That was a really good one. And every now and then I have to open up my mouth to fix this one. I don't, because I get so much pressure here. Pain radiates up here.
Have you seen other chiropractors for this?
Seen like 7 or 8 chiropractors maybe.
That's a lot.
Yeah. Tired of seeing chiropractors, and so this is kind of my last hopes.
Perfect.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
That was a really good one. I feel like jaw is fixed now.
Yeah, that was great.
Yeah.
Knock it over.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh. That was a big one.
Better. How's that feel?
Yeah, it feels better, yeah.
Hey.
Thank you very much.